Welcome to your complete guide to Kentucky first-time homebuyer programs. Now let's explore the federal loan programs available to Kentucky residents. Federal loan programs available in Kentucky are as follows: FHA loans, VA loans, USDA rural development loans, and KHC loans with the $12,500 down payment assistance currently. The Kentucky Housing Corporation offers two primary loan types to help first-time homebuyers achieve affordable homeownership. Kentucky Housing Corporation KHC programs. Mortgage Revenue Bond, MRB program, includes specific income limits by county, credit score requirements, property guidelines, and purchase price limits. Secondary Market program details eligibility for both first-time and repeat homebuyers with county-specific income limits. Down Payment Assistance program outlines how to qualify for up to $12,500 in assistance, temporarily increased through November 30th, 2020. KHC offers down payment assistance of up to $12,500. This amount has been temporarily increased from $10,000, but only through November 30th, 2025. Remember, for any KHC program, you'll need to work with a KHC-approved lender. Want to know the best credit score for each Kentucky home loan program? Let's break it down fast. Kentucky conventional loans, you'll want at least a 620 credit score to get started. FHA loans are great for lower scores. 580 plus qualifies with 3.5% down. But if your score is closer to 500, you'll need 10% down. VA loans? No minimum credit score. Just make sure you meet veteran or active duty eligibility. USDA loans for rural properties usually require around a 580 to 620 credit score, but they really don't have a minimum score. But you can get no down payment. Finally, KHC loans through Kentucky Housing Corporation. 620 minimum for government loans, 660 for conventional loans, plus potential down payment assistance. Low credit score? Don't worry, there's a program for you. DM me today and let's see what you qualify for. Different programs require different amounts down. FHA, as low as 3.5% down. VA, 0% down. No mortgage insurance. USDA, 0% down. Rural eligible areas. KHC offers down payment assistance that can cover all or part of your required down payment. Checkmark KHC plus FHA, USDA combo. Many Louisville buyers qualify for a true zero-down loan using KHC assistance. To secure the best mortgage rate and approval, lenders evaluate several key areas. 1. Income and job stability. 2 years of consistent employment. Same line of work preferred. Recent pay stubs, W-2s, and tax returns, 2 years. Bonus, commission, or overtime income may count if stable and documented. Licensing information, NMLS, personal ID, 57,916, company NMLS ID, 1,738,461, EVO Mortgage, licensed to originate mortgage loans in Kentucky only, equal housing lender. Compliance disclaimer. This is not a commitment to lend. All loans subject to credit approval and program availability. Rates, terms, and program guidelines subject to change. EVO Mortgage is an equal housing lender. www.nmlsconsumeraccess.org. Licensed in Kentucky only. Not a commitment to lend.